animals and their young ones. Cat, kitten. The cat baby is called a kitten. Dog, puppy. The dog baby is called a puppy. Tiger, cub. The tiger baby is called a cub. Elephant, calf. The elephant baby is called a calf. Lion, cub. The lion baby is called a cub. Cow, calf. The cow baby is called a calf. Zebra, colt. The zebra baby is called a colt. Monkey, infant. The monkey baby is called an infant. Rabbit, bunny. The rabbit baby is called a bunny. Donkey, foal. The donkey baby is called a foal. Bear, cub. The bear baby is called a cub. Deer, fawn. The deer baby is called a fawn. Sheep, lamb. The sheep baby is called a lamb. Goat, kid. The goat baby is called a kid. Horse, foal. The horse baby is called a foal. Hen, chick. The hen baby is called a chick. Wolf, pup. The wolf baby is called a pup. Kangaroo, joey. The kangaroo baby is called a joey. Duck, duckling. The baby duck is called a duckling. Peacock, peacock. The peacock baby is called a peacock. Fox, pup. The fox baby is called a pup. Owl, owlet. The owl baby is called a owlet. Whale, calf. The whale baby is called a calf. Thanks for watching. Enjoy and subscribe our channel.